Hello people, today I've got a tree lopper repair POV from a wheelchair. I hope you enjoy. This long reach lever action pruner is about 35 years old and it's slowly rotted away, snapping in the middle. The replacement wood is pressure treated softwood. It's about £4 from Wicks in the UK. To remove the cutting head and round off the rivet. And I roughly mark positions in the new handle with a 3mm drill bit. Remove the cold rivets with the lever handle. Next, try to punch through the rivets to remove them. This does prove to be a bit of a struggle. Rotten wood. Because of the rust of rotten wood, not easy to remove. Very stubborn to remove. A lot of faffing later, I managed to get them out. Same struggle with this end. Many minutes later. Come on, for sake. Finally. I use cure rust, then black paint on the metal parts. Leaves a good finish and protects them from rust. Use the smoothing plane to round off the square edges of the handle. Used a clamping camera mount on the top of the smoothing plane to get these shots. They look quite good. I like using the plane. Very satisfying watching the wood peel off. Anyway, did that for about 20 minutes, 5 minutes aside, or corner, if you like, until it had a good feel around the handle. No sharp edges basically, just nice and smooth. After that, I attached the handle and head, re-drilled the holes, used a 6mm hardware to refit it, 6mm bolts and nylock nuts with some washers. Clamp the head back on and then drill the holes out for the new bolts and nuts. fitted. Pretty much done. Put them on, tighten them up. The nut driver on an impact. And that's it.
Put one of these on.
I put a couple of coats of teak oil on top of the handle just to protect it outside. It is pressure treated, but it doesn't hurt to have an extra layer. There it is, all done. And I'm going to test it out now. Just check that the action works without any squeaks. I did have to put some silicone grease on the actuator rod where it met the clips because it was squeaking on there. There it is. Gives good mechanical advantage, that. It leaves a really nice clean cut on the branch. As you'll see here, some tree action. Here it is, slicing through. It really is really easy to do, even on a thick branch. Whatever can fit in that hook, it will cut. Oh yeah, it's really heavy with the camera on too. I do give it another go. Takes quite a bit of effort to pick it up. Have to get it sort of balanced and hook it on. But as you can see, it's a real smooth cut. That is it. Thank you so much for watching, and I hope you come back for another video. Bye.